Hey, can we go to another question that I have now? Is that where are some of these things becoming more effective, or where are you looking to be able to help solve these problems? Like I see parts and materials, I see engines, I see aircraft. A lot of different places. Where's your focus right now? Who are you trying to help? Right now at this point.
Yeah. So and I'm here in the MRO show, so I'm going to talk more about MRO, but that's the truth as well. Our focus really is in the MRO segment. And when I say MRO segment, it could be a third-party MRO or an MRO or aftermarket division of an OEM or a tech ops division of an airline that is also starting to focus on third-party work. So all of those are part of our portfolio of customers that we're going after. And we believe that there are some very unique challenges that these third-party MROs have been facing that the industry had not yet solved. For example, we have, sorry about this. So, a very typical scenario for the third-party MRO, take an example of a hangar MRO, airframe MRO, right? Before the aircraft rolls into the hangar, nowadays it takes at least a month for the MRO to gather all the documents from their airline customers from which the aircraft is coming, and then manually spend 3 to 4 weeks to load that data in terms of what tasks to perform, what material to be used, all that information get manually fed into the system. It takes 3 to 4 weeks. So we are attacking problems like this.
Well, how are you solving that? I mean, what are you doing to be able to make that shorter and faster?
Absolutely.
Because I agree with you. You have to get things done faster. We have to accelerate.
And we truly believe in 10x, 5x, 10x kind of improvements in this space, because what if you could take that 1 month time that it takes and reduce that to 1 day?
Okay.
And that's exactly
that would be significant.
That is significant, and that's exactly the reasons why companies like what you see here, Etihad Engineering, and some of the other airline and MRO customers of ours are doing. Basically, what we're doing is using our task card digitization capability. We have the ability to ingest all these manuals that these third-party MROs get from the airlines before the aircraft comes in. We are able to extract all those hundreds of tasks from those manuals and put them digitally into the system in a matter of hours and just days rather than weeks and months.